Hey y'all, this is Sweet Angel. Yeah. It's Christmas time at home, sweet Dobbins. Love, laughter, and a whole lot of joy in the air. Lights are twinkling, candles glowing low. Sweet smells of dinner and that southern soul flow. Royals laughing, ornaments on the floor. Mike's got the music, ain't no need for more. Every year it feels brand new, but the love stays tried and true. It's Christmas time at home, sweet Dobbins. Love and peace is all we're dropping.
It's my gorgeous husband right there, working so hard for me. I love him so much.
Turn around so y'all can see me.
Oh my God.
Okay. Ain't nothing but a titty, baby.
You serious?
Come on now, baby. You really did your big one this year. Yeah, you did that. You came through with that holiday smile. Been watching me working all the while. You said, girl, this year's on me. Girl, this year's on me. And baby, you set my spirit free. Street lights glowing, music slow. Music slow. My heart's racing, you already know. I don't need no snow to fall. 'Cause you made this Christmas top it off. Merry Christmas, baby. You did your big one for me. From the ribbon to the love, you wrapped it perfectly. Ain't about the gifts or what's under the tree. It's the way you love, the way you see me. Oh, Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah, you did your big one for me. I remember them years when times were tight. Yeah. We made joy out of nothing, but we held on right. Now we're sitting in the glow we built, feeling rich in every way that's felt. Got that slow jam on the stereo, got that look that says I told you so. You said this year's yours, my queen, and baby you made that dream sing. You did it, baby, yeah you did it. Got me feeling like Christmas came twice, admit it. Every touch, every smile, every kiss tonight. You're the reason my soul feels. Merry Christmas Day. You did your big one for me. You turned this house into pure harmony. Ain't enough your kiss, ain't no focus of this peace I see. You're the gift I pray for endlessly. You did your big one for me. You showed out this year, baby. You did your big one. Yeah. And I'm gonna make sure you get yours too. Checking at least twice, baby. 'Cause this year, oh, this year clean, kept my cool. Worked all year, yeah, I played by the rules. Didn't fuss, didn't fight, kept my loving tight. So Santa, don't you pass me by tonight. Got my stockings hanging just right. Ain't no mistletoe, but I'm feeling nice. I don't need no fancy car or diamond ring, just a little joy and some shiny things. Yeah, I've been praying, staying out of drama's way. Now it's time for my holiday. Watch out, Santa Claus, I've been good this year. Got my cookies out, my spirits in gear. Watch out, Santa Claus, don't just skip my home. I've been doing right, now it's time to get my own. Lay them gifts on me, yeah, I've been sweet as can be. Watch out, Santa Claus, you better come see about me. Come see about me. I helped my neighbor, loved my man, did a few favors, did all I can, didn't gossip, didn't shade, told the truth, and honey, I prayed. So I'm waiting up by that tree, sipping eggnog, just me and me. But when I hit 'em reindeer land, you best believe I'ma clap my hands. I've been humble, I've been kind. Now it's my turn to get what's mine. Santa Claus, Santa Claus.
Y'all, this might look like a little bit of a mess, but let me tell you something. It's all gonna come together. Let me turn the light on. All right. My hubby, my hubby, my hubby. Y'all, your girl got shelves all the way up. Okay. I'm trying to tell you. One. Hold up. Where am I? Oh my God, all the way up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shelves. All the way across the wall. Okay? You think a girl ain't gonna be able to organize now? Oh my gosh, I need to get my iPhone, because this isn't doing it any justice. Alright, now y'all can see. Look. That husband of mine, he come through. I got a little extra space right here because, you know, I have the mirror on the door now. But listen, this is more shelving than I can even imagine. This is a girl's dream, okay? Shoes, bags, purses, products, flowers, candles, whatever. I kid you not. Actually, I mean, I said 5 shelves, but at the bottom, I still have storage where I can put my little bins or whatever, a stool or whatever. Y'all, girl is so happy. This is it. I had even bought me another little rack to go over the door, like for my try-ons, but then I got a portable one right here that I take out into the like hallway or other rooms that I'm modeling or whatever. I might even take those hats and string them up over here. Girl, you know, I even got storage above, so I got plenty of space. But once everything is out, like the ladder and the desk going by my bedside, that bookcase won't even need to be in here anymore. So, and then I actually have another bookcase that I'm bringing in here because it's in my other office. And I think I'm going to bring my nail products in here. Girl, this is a girl's cave. This is a girly girl cave. I'm super excited, as you can see. But I'm not going to show you me. But you see me up there. I'm not cute. I can't let you see me any closer. Girl, answer the phone. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's 2 a.m. in the morning
I could not sleep. I was too excited. I didn't know what to do with myself. I got my little raggedy butt up and came in here and started putting the shoes and purses on the shelf. We didn't even finish painting. I can't help it. I had to do what I had to do because, listen, this is something I've been wanting for a minute and my dream has come true. So, y'all, get ready for content in this room. It's going to be off the chain.
It's Christmas time. At home, sweet Dobbins home.
Merry Christmas, y'all. From our home to yours, Mom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's home, sweet Dobbins.